How to bypass two-factor authentication on Facebook. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, make sure your device is connected to a stable internet connection. Then open up any web browser on a device. Now simply tap on the search bar. Now type facebook.com. Now tap on search. Now tap on login. Now enter your email address. Now then enter your password. Now once you're done, simply tap on login. Now wait for the screen to load. Now on this page, simply tap on try another way. Now select notification on another device. Now tap on continue. Now approve your login from another device. If you are not able to approve, simply go back. Now select. Now click on account recovery. Now wait for some time. Now tap on. Now tap on submit a photo of your ID. Now wait for some time. Now click on next. Now enter your email address. If you don't have access to the email address, simply tap on WhatsApp. Now enter your phone number. Now once you're done, simply tap on next. Now wait for some time. Now wait for the confirmation code. Now go back to the home screen. Now open up Gmail on your device. Now open up the first email. Now refresh your Gmail account. Tap on Facebook. Now scroll down. Now copy the code. Again go back to the home screen and open up your web browser. Now tap on confirmation code and paste the code here. Now simply tap on next. Again wait for the website to load. Now choose your passport, driver's license or national ID card. Now choose any of them. Now once you select them, simply tap on next. Now tap on browse photos. Now select your ID card photo. If you don't know the requirements, simply tap on see the photo requirements. Now once you're done, simply tap on submit. Now tap on finish. Now wait for the Facebook to process the request. It might usually take between 24 to 48 hours to complete the request. Now, now once Facebook verifies your identity, it will help you recover your account. Now go back to the home screen, open up your Gmail and make sure to check your Gmail once in 24 hours. Now once you get the email, simply open up the email and go to the link that Facebook provides. Then from there you will be able to recover your account. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.